Today we're going to be talking about the most underrated feature in Ableton Live, and that is Ableton Live Clips. So what exactly are live clips, I hear you ask? Live clips are a way to store not just the MIDI of a phrase, but also the VST that it's running on and your settings for that VST. And again. So what you can do is, if you have a VST loaded up here with a patch on and a piece of MIDI, and you drag this into your folder, you've created then an ALC file. So if you then restarted this project, deleted everything off of it, and then added this clip again, not only do you have the MIDI, but you have the VST as well. And this also works for any projects you might have but haven't finished. So say I'll just name this, so arpeggiator pluck D minor, and then I'll put the BPM 124. I can create an Ableton Live clip of that. And if that doesn't make it immediately obvious to you why it would be helpful, just imagine you have a folder here with all of your Ableton Live clips from unfinished tracks, and you have a pool to pull from VSTs, Ableton instruments, everything, all key labeled and all MIDI editable and linked to the VST with all the parameters of the patch tweakable and editable. It's such a time saver.